Hello guys, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to recover old Instagram account. Without further ado, let's get started. So there are several reasons why your IG account gets deleted and reasons why you want to recover it. You may have intentionally deleted it, but then you realize there are some important information that you actually need from that account. Therefore, you want to recover it. Or worse, someone hacked your account and deleted it. And other several reasons. So, to know how to recover your account based on your situation, first go to any browser on your phone, then search for Instagram Help Center. Once it appears, just tap on it. Then here on the search bar, type in Recover Account. Then just tap any of these. Here you will be given several options. Let's look for I can't log in here. Once you see it, just tap on it. Then on this page, as you can see, Instagram gives us different troubleshooting methods. So just tap on the option that best fits your situation and follow the instructions. Now, if your account got disabled because of some community guideline issues and you think it's a mistake as what it says here, you may be able to ask them to review the decision by opening the Instagram app and then entering your username and password and just follow the on-screen instructions. But if you don't see disabled message, then you may be experiencing a login issue, so just refer to the troubleshooting options. But if your account was deleted by you or someone with your password and it's past 30 days since it has been deleted, then unfortunately, according to Instagram, as you can see here, there's no way to restore it. The only thing that you can do is to create a new account using the same email address. And that's pretty much it. I hope this somehow helps. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.